are in the gallery
Yes,
looking at this vending machine that actually has, it's vending hair.
Wait, which
It
number
actually
did you put?
says
24.
virgin hair.
24.
And
$130.
$30.
How many inches is that?
No, this is real.
This is real. Inches?
Okay, hold on. Let's
How
see.
many inches?
22 is
that's
$120.
Brazilian. 24.
What's that right there?
Oh, that's weed.
It's hair. It's hair. That actually says,
I know.
I can't even get it. Hold on.
Brazilian weed.
Brazilian 24 is Brazilian 24. What, inches?
And where's the virgin
loose
weed?
wave.
They sold out.
This is Brazilian 22. So 24.
So somebody really came here and bought that then.
That's $130. And that's 24. And 20. Hit 20 for me. That's 20 Brazilian. 20 is 120. And then you got Brazilian loose, and that's number 12. Hit number 12. That's $90. All right.
All day, isn't it?
And then they take credit cards. All right. Well, we all standing here because we really don't believe it. I don't do Facebook or Instagram, so y'all ain't gotta worry. But that is weave hair. All right. Just wanted y'all to see the madness. It's called Boundless Beauty #1. And this is the vending machine in the gallery in front of Claire's. All right.